Hi everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. I would like to welcome you to my April Dainty Delight class. I have just run my in-person class, and the last thing I have to do before getting all the videos ready is film this introduction. So we had a lot of fun today, and I want to show you the cards that I'm going to be sharing with you on the video tutorial. Now, I made 3 cards in the class, but there are actually five card videos that I am going to have available for you to watch. The main theme of the Dainty Delight class, and I don't even have the stamp set to show you. So this is Dainty Delight, and the main theme is about colouring. The last card is all about die cutting, but the rest of the cards are about colouring. So this is card number 1. We have used some watercolour pencils, a watercolour wash with brand new colour bubble bath, and lots of fun with that one. Second one is using the floating technique, so using some window sheet, and this one is all about colouring with blends. So that one is a little bit of fun. Our third card is we have coloured with blends, but we're playing with some new colours using Pecan Pie and Moody Mauve, and I created this fun frame. So be sure to watch card video number 3 to see how this one is made. Now, card number 4 is a card that I've cased, and the details of that will be in that video. And I have coloured the vellum using a stencil, and I've used the Dainty Delight dies here, losing it. So we've got that one, and our final card, there are actually 3 cards because you can kind of do the card 3 ways. So this was my original card with vellum using all the Dainty. I feel like I used all the Dainty Delight dies, but I didn't. I just used a few and a little bit of heat embossing. Card number 2, I used the Friend to the last. I use all of the basics 3D embossing folders that are part of the online exclusive at the moment. So I use the debossed side of the vellum here, exactly same design, except I've embossed the vellum and used the debossed side. And then the last card, which is the one I did on video, I have used the embossed side. So there's a few little differences in the cards, but they are the 5 cards that I'm making in the videos. There is also a project sheet that will go along with all of these cards. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here to do, is to help you guys. So if you need anything clarified, please don't hesitate to ask. I do hope to see you in next month's May class, which will be all about birthdays, and we will be using a brand new suite out of the brand new catalogue, which is just over my shoulder there. So thank you so much for purchasing my April Dainty Delight class. I really do appreciate all the support, and I will see you next month. Bye.